Hello, Affirmation Tribe. I'm Nell, and welcome to Afromelanin. Today's topic is Unplug to Reconnect, a digital detox and mindful reset. When was the last time you truly disconnected? Not just from your phone, but from the noise, the distractions, the endless scrolling. If you're feeling drained, overwhelmed, or just out of sync, this is your sign to pause. Drop a star in the comments if you're ready to reclaim your peace, because today we're talking about the power of a digital detox and mindfulness. In a world that demands our constant attention, we forget how to just be. But your mind, your spirit, they deserve rest. Detoxing from the digital world isn't about deprivation. It's about liberation. It's about creating space for mindfulness, for clarity, for the things that truly nourish your soul. Let's take a collective breath. Breathe in and out. And repeat these affirmations out loud or write them down. I give myself permission to unplug and recharge. My peace is more valuable than my screen time. I am present in this moment, fully and completely. I choose connection with myself over digital distractions. Stillness is not empty. It is full of possibility. I reclaim my energy, my time, and my peace. It's time to reset, to be intentional, to unplug so you can truly reconnect with yourself, your joy, your purpose. If you're committed to even one mindful moment today, comment "I choose peace" below and share this with someone who needs the reminder. Your presence is powerful and it deserves to be protected.